Hey y'all, it's itslaroneppl and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're finally going to do the long-awaited color reveal. You guys are all fairly smart people. I'm sure you already know what color won. Like, it won almost unanimously on every other platform. And that is the gray-silver color. So, there'll be a series of videos that follow this one that show kind of how we got here to this point. It was a very interesting journey getting to this point. I had to call in reinforcements at one point, so just know a lot of work went into this, but for y'all, for the 10-year, for the 10K, we got it done. So, without further ado, cue the lights, camera, give me some action, give us some encouragement. That doesn't sound good, dude. That's just real cheesy. So I should just do without further ado.
Yeah, further ado.
Well, with that being said, it's time to take it off. Just take it off and let you guys see the hell I went through. You ready? You ready? You ready? Ta-da! This is our color, people. This is it. This is it in all its glory, people. I had to wear my hair like this to go to sleep, so don't judge me. Judge your mother. Happy with your color choice? Yeah? No? Let me know in the comment section what we thinking, how we feeling. Is it to your expectations? Are the color activities to your ethnic expectations? What was that line from Bring It On? Were the ethnic activities up to your expectations when she was like,
hey! You guys enjoy the show?
Yes, were the ethnic festivities to your liking today?
You guys are awesome.
damn. Really well. I tried to put on some gray so that you guys can, not gray, some black so that you can kind of see it in all its glory. Alright, so yeah, good people, that's our color routine. Be sure to stick around for the process of getting here. Trust me, again, you guys barely see people on this channel helping me out with my hair. And I had to call in reinforcements this go around just to make sure kind of things were going in the right direction, because as you know, I'm very anal about my hair and the outcome of it and the way it's upkept and the presentation of it. So stick around for that journey. Yeah, and as always, be sure to like, comment, subscribe. If you haven't done any of that already, what are you waiting for? You made it this far in the video. Go ahead and do it. It's like click, and then clickety click, 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 click. So you drop a comment. Yeah? Thank you. Until next time, y'all be easy.